Hi guys, I am back with anmol. So in this video, I am going to show you how to set up Sublime text for different programming languages. Okay, Sublime text. So open it first. So this is a previously created file. I am going to cut it and press Control plus N. I am going to create a new file. So the shortcut is Control plus N. So and to save Control plus S. Okay guys, I am right now. So I'm going to save it as a Python file. Okay guys, now I'm going to write something. So I can run it. So print simple run. Okay guys, so Control plus B is used to pull the file or run the file, but here we don't it because we have not done some setting for user. So tools and setup it for automatic. Now Control plus S for saving, Control plus B for boot and select Python. Control plus B. Remember to run a file, use Control plus B. So now, but there is a setup for Java. It has option Java C, but it only compile Java, not run it. So to run Java, you have to set up it. So I am also going to show you how to do it. You have to new build system. So here now you have to type Java C $file nm Java C sorry guys Java $file base name. So I'm going to save it with Control plus S, name it run Java. Okay guys, so guys I got mistakenly pressed enter, so I'm going to reset it with run run then Java dot sublime. You can name it file whatever you want. So I'm going to sublime bolt. I have already saved the files and I have already created, so I'm not going to save it again. So after you done that, you go to tools, bolt system, you see a new option called Java, run Java. Okay guys, now just click on that and now create a new file with Control plus L to show you guys the proof. I'm going to save it. So after saving, I'm going to create a simple Java program to print some text. So class I'm going to create a call main function, so it takes less time than writing it from scratch. So now guys, I am going to Control plus S to save it, and so sorry guys, I have done a mistake and there are semicolon I have missed. So Control plus S, Control plus B, Control plus B, so you can bold it. Control plus B is a shortcut. Okay guys, I'm going to show you with how to do that. For C++, go to build system, select C++ single file, and I also going to write a simple program, C++ program that prints some text. So guys, I am so I'm going to do thing like I need iOS string and C++ to output text. Int main, going to call main function, and now I am going to remove this all because I don't need any input. So this we will see out. So printing, but first we need to here type using namespace std so that we don't get problems while using cout. So if you think my voice is slow, sorry for that. I will fix that in later video. So and then that make a new line. So I'm going to control plus S save, close it, control plus B to run the file again. Control plus B, remember. So it's taking time, don't worry, it will happen. So as you can see, this works printed. Now it works well. Now with other languages also, right? From this file, I'm not going to create a new file for C language. So I'm going to name it device.c. So include as studio stdi also in C++. This is sorry in C language. It is used for output. So I'm going to use it. So now type main function for the use main function for this instruction. So sorry, I will print and then the text still works. I also going to remove this from this program also. So now this works. If you can say works printed. So that's it guys. You have to type. You can select more languages. There are ton of programming languages to select. You can select whatever you want, whatever you are using. So bye guys, that's it for the video.